Harry Lee believes he was a natural-born engineer. As a young boy growing up in East Vancouver's Strathcona neighborhood, he had a preternatural love of math and science that found an outlet in playing with Lego, Meccano, and eventually in high school shop class.
I enjoyed my shop classes, but rather than doing the prescribed projects that the teacher would ask us to do, I would always like to do my own design. So part of that is I had to convince the teacher that he would allow me to do that and still grade me on it.
While we can thank satellite technology for many of the modern conveniences we now take for granted, we have Harry Lee to thank for extending that technology to make our power supply more reliable.
With the system, we can pinpoint a location of a fault within hundreds of meters over very long spans of transmission line.
A specialist engineer with BC Hydro since 2008, Harry Lee has been at the forefront of many of the innovations there for the past 30 years, in roles that include research and development, implementation, sustainability, and committee-level guidance.
Harry's background in research and development really lends itself well to finding innovative solutions to all problems that arise.
Harry continues to expand the boundaries of his GPS innovations to improve energy stability by developing a precise situational awareness of the grid for the entire west coast of North America. Having started his career at BC Hydro as an engineer in training, Harry, now part of the senior engineering group, is committed to giving back by mentoring young talents.
His indirect mentorship meant the most to me. He's an excellent example of what a professional should be.
In his spare time, Harry co-founded Stratford Hall, the only international baccalaureate school in the East Vancouver area.
When it came to looking at what type of education opportunities we'd have for our daughter at the time, my wife came home one day and said we should start our own school. And I kind of went from there.
His commitment is so full here. We often joke about making sure he does his real job.
Fully engaged in his family, his community, and at the forefront of many cutting-edge technologies utilized in the electric utility industry, one might wonder where Harry Lee finds the time.
He's got a really light part to him, a great sense of humor, but on the other hand, he can be very serious. So he loves the challenge of making what seems the impossible to happen.
I think as engineers, we're just natural problem solvers. We see something not right, we like to fix it.
APEGBC is proud to present its premier award for professional engineering, the R.A. McLachlan Memorial Award, to Harry Lee.